Hey, it's Mr. Wheeler. Let's talk about some writing next steps. Today, we're going to talk about how to open and close your writing. There's a couple different circumstances we'll hit on. First of all, you want to consider your audience. Your audience is who's going to be reading your writing. Who will be reading? So we're talking specifically maybe about how to write an essay. Who will be reading your essay? All right. And think about that. And think about how it would be different if it's a note to a friend versus your teacher or a grader reading it. And think even how it's different when your teacher's reading it or somebody you don't know is reading and grading it. So you have to make sure they understand what you're trying to say. You can't assume that they understand your perspective. So you have to really tell them those details. Your opening tells the reader what you will be writing about. So it's telling the reader, hey, here's what's coming up. One thing to think about is a topic sentence. If your entire piece is a paragraph, we call that a topic sentence. So if you're writing one paragraph, that first sentence is often called your topic sentence. The last sentence is called your closing sentence, and they work together to explain your writing, and they serve different purposes. Now, if you're writing an essay, then we call that a thesis statement. For an essay, we write a thesis statement as part of our opening paragraph, and then we have multiple paragraphs that follow that. We're working towards writing that multiple paragraph essay, whether that's 3, 4, 5, even 6 paragraphs. So again, consider your audience and who is reading your essay. For example, a note to a friend versus an essay for school. Your opening tells the reader what you will be writing about. If it's a single paragraph, that's called a topic sentence. If your entire piece is one paragraph, we call it a topic sentence. A thesis statement is something you use for an essay, and we write a thesis statement as part of our opening paragraph, often as the last sentence of the opening paragraph. These are some things we'll be looking at as we talk about how to open and close your writing.